What are the statute of limitations for a medical malpractice lawsuit? In the statute, generally it states that a plaintiff or a patient has 2 years from the date of negligence to file their cause of action against a medical provider. And the date of negligence is usually the date of the act or the failure to act, not the injury, which is a little different. So if you're complaining of an action or a failure to act, it's that specific day that they had that failure that would start the statute of limitations. The time period could be extended on a very few exceptions. One exception you might have heard is what's called the discovery rule. The discovery rule could allow you to extend that 2-year statute of limitations on certain circumstances, and those would include if a physician left a foreign object during surgery in your body that you could not discover. And so that could delay the statute of limitations or suspend it or toll it. And that usually is found by either you start having discomfort or signs or symptoms adverse to that foreign object in your body, and that could be several years after the statute is run, but it wasn't available for you to be able to discover it. And so by x-ray or by exploratory surgery, they found that was the cause of your symptoms, and so that would be a discovery rule type case. Very few of those exist, but they're kind of like if a doctor left a sponge or a tool inside the surgical cavity. If you have new complaints after 2 years after the procedure, that generally is not going to extend or toll the statute of limitations. The only way it's going to be tolled is if a foreign object is left in. If you've got symptoms or you don't have symptoms and there's not a foreign object involved, it's not going to toll the statute of limitations. Generally, it's there to protect the provider, and the law expects the patient to respond to adverse symptoms or signs following the treatment and get a second opinion of what's going on, and then make the connection, is this something related to that treatment or not?